Hi, this is Chris, and welcome to Winemaker TV. If you like beer, if you like wine, you like cider, you ever thought about making it yourself? Well, this is the place for you. If this is your first time here, please hit the subscribe button and the little bell notification so it'll let you know every time I come out with a new video. And today we'll be making a wine called Skeeter Pee. This was recommended in the comments of one of my videos, and I'm going to make it for that viewer. Basically, Skeeter Pee is a lemon wine. So that's what we're going to make today. Skeeter Pee is one of these wines that are very popular on the internet, and it's the reason why it's very popular on the internet. It's delicious, it's easy to make, there's not many ingredients. It can be difficult. It can be a difficult fermentation because of the high acidity of the lemon. So let's go over what you'll need real quick. We're going to be making a gallon. So if you want to make anything more than a gallon, you just, multiply by how many gallons you're making. So you'll need a gallon of water, and I'm also going to use this as a fermentation vessel. You'll need 20 ounces of real lemon juice, pound and a half of sugar, quarter teaspoon of wine tannin. Of course, you need yourself a funnel, quarter teaspoon measuring spoon. You'll need your yeast. I'm going to be using the Red Star Premier Blanc today. I call it the yellow packet. And you'll need yourself an airlock. So it's not many ingredients, so it should be a pretty simple, pretty quick process. So step number one, you're going to be using this as a fermentation vessel. So we're going to make a gallon of wine, but all the other ingredients are going to displace. So you need to empty out in a container half of the water that's in the jug. So we can add I like to add my dry ingredients first. So we're going to start with the sugar. Again, we have a pound and a half of sugar. I just use white sugar with this, but you can use any sweetener. You can even use honey. Alright, we've added our pound and a half of sugar. And the only dry ingredients we have today are the sugar and a quarter teaspoon of wine tannin. And all these have been sterilized beforehand. That's to give it a little mouth feel. Alright, so we got that. Now it's time to incorporate it. So you get your top that came off of it. And we'll shake it up. Make sure you get all that incorporated. Because that sugar is what's going to provide the alcohol. That yeast will convert this sugar into the alcohol and carbon dioxide. So I'm going to shake this up more and make. All right, we got that good and incorporated and shook up really well. Now it's time to add our lemon juice. Bring out the trusty funnel again and just dump our 20 ounces of lemon juice straight in. All right, and that water you set aside, top it off. To you're about 2 inches from the top. You see that? About 2 inches from the top. So we're going to shake it up, give it another good shake, and we'll be back. Ooh, so it's all shook up, yeah. So next step, add the yeast. And I'm just going to pitch my yeast straight in. This yeast is going to start converting the sugars to alcohol and releasing CO2. So I always just dump it straight in, and I'll put in the whole pack. That pack will do up to 5 gallons, but I'll just add the whole pack to 1 gallon. So give it a little swirl. You don't have to shake it, just give it a little swirl. Last step, we're going to add our airlock. Got a little S airlock here with a rubber stopper. This is so the carbon dioxide that is released can escape without any of the ickies in the air getting in. So if you like this video, please hit the subscribe button and the little bell notification so you'll get notified every time I come out with a new video. So this is Chris, and